It's Lieutenant Omega here, and right now, as you can see, we're in the middle of I guess nowhere. The sun is going down. Anyways, a lot of you comment. I mean, last week. Seriously, I need to go to the. Oh, seriously, need to work on my speeches. Anyways, I was saying. Anyways, I was. You know what? Seriously. Anyways, I was saying that a lot of you comment last week. He told you what operation do you think is the best? Is the best Operation Dynamite, Operation Sentinel, or Operation Mother Nature? And a lot of you picked my idea, Operation Mother Nature. So now, as you can see, there's a little town over here. As you don't know, there's a couple of lights over there, and also yeah. So, anyways, we are going to be oh, there's a big hole here. And maybe this must be the way they probably trap their animals in here or catch their food here or something. Anyways, or trap intruders and kill them. Anyways, I was saying that this. Anyways, I was saying that this we are going to be testing Operation Mother Nature on in this town, village, or whatever you can say it is. Okay, Okay, good thing I have rocket boots so I can just fly out of the hole, no problem. Anyways, we are going to be testing Operation Mother Nature in this little town. Right now I got my little controller over here. Yeah, our satellite is above this village. This village right now. Anyways, we are going to be testing what condition do we want to happen in this little village. If it can cause a tornado, a hurricane, or a drought, or let me think about it for a second. Oh, I got it. We can cause a flood. Yeah, cause a flood. Yeah. That's the. I think that's the best option because all the buildings will float away. I get it. Float from Pennywise the clown. Haha. Anyways, let's start it. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Okay. I did not know that I accidentally pressed the I accidentally created the hurricane. And it destroyed everything. Look, there's even fire going on over there. Wow, okay. I did not know that this is gonna go this far. Probably no one even survived that. Survived because of it. Oh my god. Don't worry. I have. Dude, it was so powerful that it even it makes the ground unstable. Oh my god. The hurricane definitely destroyed everything. Look at this. Look at this. Look, this is an entire mess. Okay. No. Oh my god. Okay. These buildings have been completely destroyed. Okay. I did not know that this. Okay, Okay, every single building is completely been. I mean, what? I didn't already say that. Okay, these buildings are completely done. I don't think anyone even survived. Okay, looks like the hurricane did not do that much damage. Okay, looks like the swings. Okay, shallow. Okay, that. Wow. Okay. Looks like these buildings are just no longer gonna be what is this place? Looks like the storm has not hit this area. What is it? Oh, looks like there's some building down here. I don't even know what it is. Nope. I think I need to dig this up. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna. Okay, never mind. You know what? I'm gonna dig in. Wait a minute. I can get the shovel. Where's my shovel? Oh, there it. There it is. Okay. Let's start digging up. Maybe some type of, maybe I should like looks like you know what? I'm gonna go straight down there. Okay, what in the world is this? Okay, you know what? This is okay, you know what? That place has just completely been down. I don't even want to go on this sleep. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna go. Good thing my rugged boots are waterproof. Okay, it looks like the hurricane did a lot of damage. Okay. Yep, it definitely did. No, I don't see anyone who survived. You know what? What is this? House is Kitty. Bro, these guys are gay or something. I need to be careful because the buildings could like crack any moment. Nah, okay, looks like, yeah, my suspicions were correct. I need to get out of here before the building collapse. Rocket boots and, okay, this place is, this where the flood. Look, yeah, it did also bring water with it. It also makes it more dangerous. Probably drowned everyone. What is this? Reading. Okay, what is this? Where the water is so reading outside being outside. The scrub, low, library. Yeah, I don't even want to read that. That's just okay. You know what? Yeah, this place is completely. It's definitely being a wreck. Has been wrecked. Wrecked. Anyways, I think I need to head back to base. And the score, and yeah, that's Lieutenant Omega signing out. And the score program is online. That's right, need to head back to base.